Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed first, second, third questions. Now today we will start from the next question, that is question number 4. Write the complements of the following angles. Now we have to write the complement angles. First of all, what is complement angles? हमने ये चैप्टर में रेड किया था, राइट? Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum of measure is equal to 90 degree. कितने किसके इक्वल होता है? 90 डिग्री के. Let's start with the complementary angles. Question number 4. Right? Now, write the complements of the following angles. First one is 32 degree. Now, the sum of measures is equal to 90 degree, right? Now 90 minus 32, 90 minus 32, it will be 58 degree, right students? Now move to the next, that is second one. Now move to the next, that is second part. That is second part. Now we have to solve like this. That is 32 degree plus x degree equals to 90 degree. X equals to 90 degree minus 32 degree. It will be 58 degree. Okay students, now move to the next part, that is 57. Second part, that is 57 degree. Again, the sum of measure is equal to 90 degree, right? Now 57 degree plus x degree equals to 90 degree. Now x equals to 90 degree minus 57 degree. X equals to 33 degree. Okay students, x equals to. Okay students, now move to the next part. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the third part. Okay, now move to the third part, that is 78. Degree. It will be again the sum of measure is equal to 90 degree. It will be 78 degree plus x degree equals to 90 degree. Right? Now x को हम यहाँ ट्रांसफर करेंगे 90 डिग्री माइनस 78 डिग्री x इक्वल्स टू 12 degree. Right, students? Now fourth part, is your homework. That is fourth part, that is 60 degree homework. Now again you have to leave one line and move to the question number 5. Write the supplements of the following angles. तो supplement क्या होता है? The sum of measures is equal to 180 degree, right? That is known as supplement. Let's start. That is, first of all, two angles are known as supplementary angles if their sum of measure is equal to 180 degree. In this question, the sum of measure is equals to 90 degree, and in supplementary angle it will be equal to 180 degree. Let's start. First part is, that is 67 degree. Let x degree the required angle. It will be 67 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. Now x will come this side, and 180 degree minus 67 degree. Okay, students, that is 113 degree. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next page. Okay. Second part, that is 158 degree. Again same, let x degree the required angle. Same rule will be followed. That is, two angles are known as supplementary angle if their measure is equals to 180 degree. Let x the required angle. Now 158 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 degree minus 158. X equals to 22 degree. Okay, students, now move to the third part. That is that is 98 degree. Same rule will be followed. Okay, let x degree is the required angle. Now 98 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. It will be 52. Sorry, it will be 82 degree. 82 degree. And the last part, that is fourth part, which one is 22 degree. That is your homework. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next. That is question number 6. Okay, move to the next question. That is question number 6. Now, identify the following pairs of angles as complementary angles, supplementary angles, or equal to. Now, complementary angles. Two angles measure is equals to, that is 90 degree. And in supplementary, two angle measures is equals to 180 degree. जो भी 90 से ऊपर है that is supplementary angle, और जो भी 90 से कम है it will be complementary angle. Now first part is 62 degree and 28 degree. It will be complementary angle. Students, space is not given. You have to write the complete spelling. I will write the short form and you have to write the full spelling. Right? Now 76 degree and 14 degree. Again this is complementary angle. Right? Next 25 and 155. तो 25 तो 90 से कम है, क्या 155 भी है? नो, इट विल बी सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. Next 105 degree and 75 degree, that will be supplementary angle. Next 110 and 110, that is equal. Next 50 and 40, that is known as complementary angle. Right? Now move to the next 2 and 88. Again complementary angle. 2 and 178, that is supplementary angle. Next 45 and 45, complementary angle. 90 and 90, again equal. No complementary, equal. Next 91 and 89, 91 ऊपर है 90 से, that is known as supplementary angle. 24 degree and 66 degree, that is complementary angle. Right, students? Now question number 7 figure is. Now question number 7, we will continue in our. Okay, let's start. The measure of one angle is given in each of the following figures. Find all the other angles. I will explain you one first part and second part is your homework. Okay, students, let's start. Now, this one is the first part. We will draw it. Now, question 7. First part. that is B A 96 degree and D, and this one is 96 degree and this one is O. Now हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड दी ऑल अदर एंगल्स. हमको फाइंड करना है, we have to find in this question, that is BOC. We have to find BOC, angle BOD and angle DOA, right? Now we have to find all three angles. First one is, that is BOC. Now first we will find BOD, that is angle BOD. This one BOD. So students, sum of measures is equals to 180 degree minus 84. 180 degree minus 180. First of all, we will find that is AOD, जो हमको figure given है, that is AOC, that is 96. Angle AOC, that is 96 is given. 180 degree minus 96 degree, it will be, that is 84 degree. Right students? Now angle BOD, that is 180 degree minus 84 degree, it will be 96 degree. Now next angle we have BOD is equals to BOC. Okay students, angle BOC plus angle AOC is equals to 180 degree. Angle AOC is given to us, that is 96, and BOC we have to find, that is 180 degree minus 96. BOC is equals to 84 degree. Next, BOD plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Now BOD plus 84, 180 minus 84 degree, it will be 96. Now we have to find last angle, that is angle DOA. That is angle DOA plus angle, that is BOD is equals to 180 degree. Next, angle DOA we have to find, and angle BOD, that is 96 and equals to 180 degree. Angle DOA is equals to 180 degree minus 96 degree, it will be 84 degree. तो हमने first 3 angles find कर लिए, BOC, BOD and the last one is DOA. Now if you want to take screenshot, you can take, then we will move to the next part, and second part is your homework. Now the second part is your homework. Okay students, in our next video we will start from the question number 8. That's all for today. Thank you class.